how to customize the camera assistant menu to show or hide contextual menu. So first tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. From here, tap on assistant menu, tap on the left hand side panel. Then tap on select apps to show contextual menus with. In here, tap on the camera to turn it on. And then after that, tap on the back key. Make sure you also turn on the assistant menu toggle button. Okay, so here we have turned on the assistant menu. You can see this is the menu when you are not in the camera app. If you open up the camera app, the menu items will have a different functions. Here you have the switch camera button, the gallery, so you have some additional contextual menu items in addition to your standard menu items from the assistant menu. So here, if I close the camera or get out of the camera, you can see the assistant menu will changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.